everybody. I'm not long back from the International Engage show, and while I was there, preparation for autumn, I thought I'd buy a few things. With autumn coming on, it's a good time to start building some kits. So I purchased a few. Here's a ratio engine shed and Engage, single track. Because I still intend to run some steam trains, I thought I'd buy a water tower with some cranes. Got a signal box and a station train shed for GWR. I'm starting a new project, building a small layout, so I saw this part used reel of copper track, so I'm going to use that as a bus wire. If you've been to TINGS before, you'll know that they have huge buckets full of second-hand items, and I saw this pack of Amtrak coaches. They're unbranded, but they look in good condition. And we've got two passenger coaches, we've got the observation coach, and we've got the trailing coach, which also has an observation port. So I think they would look nice. So to help me draw them around, I found this Amtrak F40PH. The only thing is it has a knuckle coupler instead of the rapido couplers, but I can just have a coach with knuckle couplers at one end and rapidos at the other. And to complete the lot of Amtrak, I saw this Superliner coach, the double decker. It just looks nice. It probably won't fit with the ones I've got, but I can maybe pick up a couple of these at some other time. To give me some more work to do, I found this Santa Fe. It's an RSD15 in the blue bonnet with the yellow front. Only £8, can't lose much there. And finally, I saw this rather lovely Bachmann Dash 840 CW. It's an original box. It's still got original packaging, got the instructions. In fact, it looks as if it's hardly been out of the box at all. Sorry about that light there. Poor runner, so from factory, could be something dead simple. While I was away, I got a package from eBay. First of all, this yellow bonnet Santa Fe GP38 possibly, I'm not quite sure, and also this Fleshman diesel shunter. Again, poor runner, but enough work to keep me going. So, a busy time ahead over the autumn, plenty of spares for repairs to keep me going, and also, as I mentioned, my layout project, a small layout which I'll do a video on quite shortly. So thanks for watching. Just if you try again. So thanks for watching. Just a short video. Been to TINGS, always like TINGS. If you haven't been, try and go yourself. If you have been, you'll know how good it is for Engage modelling. So until I catch you again, take care everybody, take care of yourself, take care of others, and bye for now. If you've been to TINGS before, two passenger coaches. Down here we've got the observation coach with the central observation deck, and this here is the trailing coach with the rounded observation. If you've been to TINGS before, you'll know there's a stall called Anorak's Anonymous, and they have buckets full of been to TINGS before, you'll know there's a stall called Anorak's Anonymous, and they have buckets laden with second-hand users.